According to Third Gerson is stress. According to Third Gerson 2022 in the study conducted in his study, one of the reasons of high attrition rate is stress. Ano? It's the main contributor. And it includes lack of support from administrators, lack of preparation for classroom, finances, and debts. So, according naman to De La Cruz, school administration and policy, pay and benefits, meaning to say they are not contented with what teachers are not contented with what they are receiving. Benefits, salary, that's why some of them left the Department of Education. Others, international relation, maybe with the administrator or with the colleagues. Work condition and work assignment were some of the identified factors of attrition among private and public school according to De La Cruz 2021. So here in Aroroy,